Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on unsubscribe from all emails on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, now click account settings, and now click manage emails, and here you will find it unsubscribe from all emails. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's how to turn on unsubscribe from all emails on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.